Welcome to Canva Quick Tips. In this quick tip, I will show you how easy it is to pick a color from outside of Canva. So let me show you how. So you found an awesome color outside of Canva and you want to put it in Canva. So what you can do is if you have a Windows PC, you can hit your Windows key and your arrow key and you can shorten that like that, and then we can pull this over like so, and then I can go in here and get my color picker and I can pull any of these colors out of here. The green, I can hit the purple, and I can pick it out of this web page. I can also pull this one over like so. I can go into this and hit the color picker, and I like this blue in the bird. You can do that. And that is an easy way that you can color pick. So you can, if you have a document or any kind of like photo that's crazy that you don't want to download and you have it up on your screen, you can do that also and color pick from outside of Canva. You don't have to just use the color picker inside of Canva. You can completely go outside of Canva and color pick and bring it over. And that's my quick tip for today. I thank you for stopping by. I'll see you on the next one. I love you guys. See you next time.